Timing belt failures don't actually happen that often. Most of the time, the real issue starts with the bearing inside the tensioner, idler or water pump. Once a bearing starts to fail, the belt can lose alignment, and that's when serious engine damage can occur. Bearings can fail for a few different reasons, such as missed maintenance, water leaking from a pump, or even incorrect installation. It's these small issues that often lead to big failures, not the belt itself. That's why here at BGA, every tensioner, idler and water pump is built using high-performance C3 bearings. They're manufactured to OE ISO 5753 standards and tested under extreme load and heat, so they'll perform reliably throughout the full service life of the engine. This test rig is unique to BGA, designed and built in-house to push our tensioners, belts and pulleys to the absolute limit. We run our kits side by side with OE under identical heat and load cycles. The goal is simple: match or surpass OE performance every time. Here we are simulating 60,000 miles of real-world driving, fluctuating RPM, heat expansion and constant load cycles. By the end of the test, we will know exactly how every bearing, belt and spring performs. No guesswork, just proven results. This is where the difference really shows. We measure bearing wear, tensile strength and even microscopic dimensional changes that happen over time. Tensioners are tested for spring rate accuracy and bearing fatigue resistance. Idlers are examined for wear patterns, proving they perform right in line with OE. And the water pumps? They are stripped down to test bearing load and seal integrity. Every detail is analysed, because in the aftermarket it's often the smallest part that protects the biggest investment, your engine. This level of testing is rare in the aftermarket, but for us, it's just standard practice. That's why BGA kits can be trusted to deliver the same or even greater service life than OE.